This Indian multi-role attack helicopter has been designed by Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd. इंडिया पाकिस्तान के कारगिल युद्ध ने भारत में इंडिजिनस एयरक्राफ्ट और हेलीकॉप्टर बनाने के लिए प्रेरणा दिया. From the drawing boards in 2006 to the development of Dhruv, the rotorcraft, the LCH gained several heights and it became the first attack helicopter to land in Siachen repeatedly. Siachen is at the height of 13,600 feet from the sea level. On 19th November 2021, Prime Minister Narendra Modi formally handed over the LCH to IAF Air Chief Marshal Vikram Ram Chaudhary, clearing the way for full-scale induction. Jai Hind. This twin-seater LCH will be inducted formally in the IAF tomorrow, thus saving 3,800 crores in foreign exchange due to the Make in India project launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.